Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful fall inspired mani using dip powders. So let's get right into the video. My nails are already cleaned and prepped and I'm using my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. Then I apply my Peel Off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step and I wait for them to dry fully. Now I'm using my Rebel Nail Emily first because I do not want the neon orange to contaminate the color in any way. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the dip powder. I'm using Pro Dip base liquids today. I did 4 layers but I only showed 3 layers. I also did the same for my ring finger. Now on my middle finger, I'm using my Double Dip Atomic Orange dip powder. I did 3 layers of that and I also did the same for my pinky and thumbnail. Now I encapsulated the nails with Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. I did 2 layers. Then I applied activator, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Model 1's gel top coat to my nails and I cured for 30 seconds. Now I'm using this water decals that I got in my Model 1's kit, so I just cut out the ones that I wanted and then I placed them in water. This was my first time using water decals, so I wasn't quite sure what I was doing, but I knew it wouldn't be that hard to figure out. Also, remember to remove the clear film from the decal before placing it into the water. I left it in the water for about 5 seconds and then I removed it, took off the white backing and placed it on my nails in the position that I wanted, and I ensured it was laying flat. Then I applied some more top coat to my index and ring finger to seal in the decals, and I cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and here is the finished manicure. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!